Hello, everybody. Today I talk about me, and I start with my presentation personal. I study psychology en la Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia. My name is Angelica María Rincón Torres. I am 19 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Bogota. I live with my parents. And my favorite series is Supernatural. My favorite sport is skating. My favorite hobby is traveling. And I explain my daily routine. I wake up at the 6 o'clock. I get up at the six past six. I take a shower at the 6 past 10. I get dressed at the 6:15. I have breakfast at the 6:20. I go out to my house at the 6:30 a.m. I start class at the 7 o'clock. I study by 6 o'clock at the 1 p.m. I I I get to my go to my house at the 1 past 5. I have lunch at the 2 p.m. I go to my homeworks. I do to my homeworks at the 3 p.m. And I have dinner at the 8 p.m. I watch my favorite series at the 9 o'clock. And finally, I go to sleep at the 11 p.m. Thank you for your attention.